The next mineral property we're going to look at is breakage. Breakage is how the mineral breaks when any stress is put upon the mineral. So there's two different ways. One is fracture. If you look here, you can see that there is not any pattern for how the mineral breaks. It has rough sides. There's no kind of clean planes. And so the true definition of fracture is it has an irregular shaped side. The second form of breakage is called cleavage, and that means that there are clean sides. These are three different examples. On the far left, you can see that it is flat on top and it kind of breaks off in sheets. The one in the middle breaks into cubes, and the one on the far right, you can see that as it has broken off on different sides, that there's almost like little steps. And so each of these, when broken, will break into clean sides, smooth sides. A connection you might be able to make is that this is a meat cleaver. And so if you're thinking about a meat cleaver, if it were to cut the stone, it would create nice flat sides. Cleavage has nice flat sides. One key thing to note is that a mineral like quartz can grow crystals and it looks like it has flat sides. However, when it were broken, it would not break into those crystals. The breakage sides would be uneven surfaces. As I showed before, this is muscovite. This breaks off in sheets, and so this would be an example of a single plane. Feldspar is an example that cleaves in two directions, so both the sides and the top are smooth. Halite breaks in three directions, and calcite breaks also in three directions. And you can see both of these kind of have a cube-like shape, but calcite kind of breaks at a slightly more angle, so it's more of a rhombus. When you're testing for breakage, make sure to never actually break the mineral. That's super important. We would lose most of our minerals pretty quickly that way. They have all been pre-broken for you, so you can examine the sides to make sure, or to look for either flat sides, which would be cleavage, or irregular sides, which would be fracture.